What's up, YouTube fam? It's Dark Angel's Journey. I'm Shakira. Now, let's see where we are with NQ. It's Wednesday. We have no appreciable news, so we are free to do whatever the heck we want today. One thing I wanted to take a look at. Wow, we are out of sync. This is YM, NQ, and ES on the June contract. Wow. They just decided they haven't even taken their high out, and NQ's like, I'm running for the hills. All right, well, let's get to it. Let's prep for the day. Oh, hang on. Let me move things around here. So I had spec'd out some standard deviations in the PM, adjusted. So daily candle looks pretty juicy. All right, we have taken out the 1 and 2, and we left the 2 standard deviations up. So, I mean, there's not much else to say, but up, 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 up. Question is, do we get any opportunity to get into any of this foolishness, honestly? So where is London? This is about 1 o'clock, approximately, not quite, but we'll adjust as we get down to the lower levels. So we have an order block here on the 4-hour. This will be done forming at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard. That's being pushed back down after it's taken a ton of stuff out. I really don't want to see it break below this 4-hour fair value order block, so we'll see how that plays out. Let's get the 1 hour. Yeah, that 1 hour candle looks like shite. Okay, so what do I want? Let's do a little cleanup. So we have a couple of fair value gaps here, order block down here on the 1 hour. I don't know that I really need it to come all the way back down here. There's one here, here, here. So we'll see how we form. So this is a 1 hour order block right here. I don't really want to. Yeah, and that is London lows right there. So they're pretty decent ways away from that. So I really want to see them come back down to it. A retracement back into any of these fair value gaps would be perfectly acceptable for me. This is what that 15-minute is looking like. It wants to roll back down. So we got order block, order block, order block. Whenever there's like multiples, I expect they'll blow into the second or third of them. So we'll see what happens when we roll in. But the general gist is return back to and get a nice pullback, and then a nice return back up for continuation up. One thing I will say though, I don't like when they're running ahead of New York Open, because sometimes that can give us that sideways action. But it's been a slow grind up this entire time. So we'll see what happens. For now, the daily's bullish, the 4-hour is bullish, the 1 hour is bullish. This candle's about to close in 8 minutes. That's not sexy, but it's still bullish. Might be forming for some sort of pullback into a fair value gap, and then I'll be watching the wick of this guy. And the 15-minute is also bullish. So I'll be looking for longs, but only once I get some sort of pullback into an area of interest on the higher time frame, fair value gap, order block, stuff like that. All right, be good, be safe. Shakira out.